Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 31. Can you change 0.23 recurring where both the 2 and the 3 continue on forever? That means it's 0.23, 23, 23, 23 and that continues on forever, to a fraction in the form a over b, where a and b are integers. So can we change this recurring decimal to a fraction where a and b are whole numbers? So if you'd like to pause the video now to try this, you are welcome to do so. I'll go on now and we'll see the solution. Here we go. In the first instance, this looks tricky because it keeps recurring. Recurring decimals, those that keep repeating with a set pattern, can be changed to rational fractions. Now let's see how we do that on the next slide. If we let n equals 0.23, where both the 2 and the 3 keep repeating themselves, so that's n, then if we multiply that by 100, we get 100n equals 23 and the 2 and the 3 keep repeating. Subtract equation 1 from equation 2. That is, we go equation 2 minus equation 1. So that's 100n minus n. So 100n minus n equals 23.23, where the 2 and the 3 are recurring, minus 0.23, where those two numbers keep recurring. That is, it's that minus that. So all we've done is equation 2 minus equation 1. 100n minus n is 99n. This minus this gives us 23. So if 99n equals 23, just divide both sides by 99, and n equals 23 over 99. So there's your fraction in the form of a over b, where a and b are whole numbers. I hope you enjoyed that little sum, and you can follow that procedure for many of the recurring decimals. If you want to change them to fractions, that's the way you go about it.